This is a super simple and quick and very basic Hungarian dish. One of my favorites. It's potatoes with paprika. In Hungarian, we call it paprikas krumpli. It's always been one of my favorites. I just made it for myself the other day. You can serve this as a side dish or as a main course. So here's the very, very simple steps how to do it. Saute a large onion just until it's like glossy. Now you're going to add two or three chopped up peppers. I recommend Hungarian hot pepper if you can stand the heat, or Cubanelle pepper, any kind of like green waxy pepper. Do not use bell pepper, that's bitter. So you're going to want just a basic waxy pepper, Hungarian, if you can get it. Two or three firm tomatoes. So again, you're going to saute the onions. You're going to add your chopped up peppers and then your tomatoes. Saute all that for a few minutes until everything starts to soften up. Then you will add Hungarian paprika. Hungarian, if you can get it. Hopefully you can. If not, you can use Spanish as well. I like to use the Hungarian smoked paprika. Give it a little extra zing, but you don't have to. You can just use regular paprika. So again, you're adding the paprika after your vegetables so it doesn't burn. So give that a quick stir. When everything looks like it's kind of starting to sizzle, you're going to add 5 or 6 large chopped up potatoes. You can dice them whatever size that you like. I like to do mine fairly small, like bite-sized pieces. Stir that in there and then add water to not really cover, but adequate amount of water so it can all cook together. That's about it. You're going to put a lid on that, let that all stew together until the potatoes are soft. If you're serving it as a side dish, that's all you need to do. If you're going to make a main course out of it, I would suggest adding some either Hungarian sausage, if you can get it, or Debreczener sausage, even kielbasa, chopped up, whatever. You can put that in about halfway through the cooking time for the potatoes. And again, just boil it all together. Just keep an eye on it when it's cooking to make sure there's adequate amount of water on it, because you're going to want sauce, gravy, salt and pepper, of course. That's about it. When you're ready to serve it and eat it, I personally like to eat it with, obviously, with some kind of European bread on the side. And what I do is I put it into my bowl and I mush the potatoes up a little bit. Not like mashed potatoes, but with my fork, I just chop them up a little bit just to get all that sauce and gravy in there. And you might want to eat this with a couple of dill pickles on the side. That's it. Very easy. Paprikas Krumpli, one of my favorites. Enjoy.